Hello everyone! We are living in exciting times and I'm going to show you why right now. We have a new version of ProZ.com and so we're going to try the new version together. I looked at it briefly but I kind of wanted to go through it with you guys and kind of explore it with you guys and see what you think. So let's click on it and open it. First of all, I should say I've been complaining about what ProZ.com looks like for a while now, and so I'm really glad they changed it. I do think the format looks nicer, it looks cleaner now, it looks more up to date, so yeah, kudos to that. And so let's go through it quickly though, because right off the bat I'm seeing some issues that I have issues with. So let's go. So first of all, we see the profile is over here, and it looks pretty easy and simple, so that's good. I like that. You see browse jobs, which is great. So let's click on browse jobs and see what happens. And because my jobs should be tailored to me, technically. French to English, Italian to English, French to English, Italian to English. I think right now, yeah, I'm Italian to English and French to English. And so that's perfect. You know, you click on that and it goes there. That's easy. Then we have terminology. Let's do that. Now these all open in new browsers automatically. That's fine. I don't have any problems with that. In fact, let's see, go back to these. I know certain people have certain preferences, but I don't care too much. So here you can go through basically their terms, the glossary, and yeah, that's fine. So let's go through the issues I have, because right off the bat I can see I have an issue. And right here, all this main real estate here is being taken up by recent activities, and I see the recent activities here are there's a job posted, but this is not in my language combination. Job posted, not in my language combination. We will, which I assume is what I'm working on, and I think here you can update what I'm working on now and just make it public. But honestly, like I don't know who this is really, and so I think it's just from random people that we're getting this. Kudos question posted. And this is in my language combination, I guess, so that's fine. I don't know if that's a coincidence or not. Form post posted. How to activate auto suggest. This has nothing to do with me. I don't use Studio 2009. This is definitely nothing to do with me. And so basically there's a lot of noise here, so to speak. On the other hand, they do have the option to customize. Before I do that, I want to go through quickly public, private. Oh, so to put what I'm working on. I think this is their attempt to be more social about it and create more of a social environment, which is fine. But quite frankly, that's secondary to, you know, you're on here to look for jobs and get jobs. So let's see how we can do this. Compact display. Oh, so here it's just a line. Let's do it this way, just so we can see more for now. What activities would you like to see in your feed? All, following, from people I follow. Okay, so that's already better. Let's personalize it though. Okay, yeah, this is what I was looking for. Job posts, kudos questions in your languages and fields, Blueboard entries for outsources you are tracking, forums and forms you are tracking. And see, this is odd because I'm not tracking any forms. I'm pretty sure I'm not tracking any forms right now. Training, all recent. We will, from people you follow or people near you. Okay, so that's how they filter it, but that's okay. Here, quite frankly, and I can change this later, but I'm in it for the job posts, and even Blueboard. I'm sorry, but I can, when I have to deal with a company, I can look them up on the Blueboard. I don't need to know all their updates. Here too, forums as I go on. Kudos, I'll probably keep it because answering kudos questions can get me more points, and I always feel like I need more points. I don't have many kudos points. Powwows near you, that could be interesting. Actually, personal glossaries in your language, no. These are all things that I can look up myself, and they just create noise if I just have them on there. So if I leave it like this, just the kudos questions, job posts, and powwows in my languages and fields. Let's see how this works. And let's see how this looks now. So, Officina Culturale, perfect. Yeah, French. So yeah, we have French to English. Barottire un giro terminale. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So this works. Yeah, I kind of like this. I'm gonna try something else now and try to get rid of kudos, only have jobs. Yeah, so this is actually better. And I would recommend customizing this probably first thing, so that when you come here, you can see right away what you're interested in, and which I assume is jobs and maybe one or two other things, but that's pretty much it. I'm not 100% sold on the compact display, but let's see. Yeah, for jobs, it might be better to have this so you kind of get an idea for each one. But yeah, that this is the main real estate that you see here, and otherwise brown jobs, terminology, forms, invoicing, and Blueboard. And I like that they have the link to the Blueboard here, and you don't have to do all this weird stuff. So, but let's go through the the hover overs quickly. It seems like not much has changed here. This is more or less as I remember it, and yeah. So anyway, not much worthing. Yeah, and here too, this pretty much seems the same. So I think here not much has changed. It's basically this layout. And here, what do we have? We have an ad, then we have a poll. My accounting and other administrative tasks are, I don't know, pretty much up to date. Vote. Okay, this is just, let's try to reload, see if another poll comes out or what. Oh no, so I guess it's just a random poll that they have. I mean, fine. And let's scroll down, and down here too. This is pretty much the same. Okay, so they basically just changed this area here, and I like it. I think it's better. I don't know. Let me know if you have any thoughts. I just wanted to go through it quickly with you guys and see what you thought of it. And yeah, let's see quickly. Let's look at the Blueboard, see if there's anything interesting. No, yeah, you go here, it's exactly the same as before. Invoicing, sorry. So I just clicked on invoicing, but it shows my invoices, which I probably shouldn't share with you guys because it shows the names of the translators and the amounts and all that. And that's, I should keep that private. What else? Let's see, forums. Yeah, and this is exactly the same as before. Yeah, in fact, now, yeah, everything looks the same. So, yeah, anyway. That's pretty much it. I like it. I have to say, I do like it. I think customize this part right away. I wonder if there are any events close to me. No, nothing. Yeah. Oh, and I like that you can change this way. That's really cool, actually. So I don't have to click on this each time. And anyway, that's pretty much it. At least that's, oh, availability not set. Wait, let's see. Oh, yeah, I'll put available. Why not? And here, and by the way, and because I've seen other things like this, if you are available, unless you're super busy and you don't want to be hired, always just click available. Don't click mostly, partially, whatever. Just click available, and you can deal with each job as it comes in. Why not? Yeah, and so that's pretty much it. Those are my thoughts on it, at least at first glance. I like it. I think that's a good step in the right direction. And so let me know what you think, and let me know if this is available to you. I don't know if this is something that they're rolling out slowly or not, but I think I'm going to keep it in this format and not go back to the old homepage because I'm enjoying this and I think it's better. So that's pretty much it, and I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.